Welcome back to another tutorial of Looker Studio tutorial series. In this video, we are going to dive into a fundamental aspect of Looker Studio, that is, exploring data through dimensions and measures. Dimensions and measures are the building block of exploring data in Looker Studio. They help us in exploring the data in a structured way. But what are they exactly? Dimensions are the attributes that provide context to your data. They are often categorical, that defines who, what, when, where of your data. For example, if you are analyzing a sales data, then dimensions would include product, region, time, categories, etc. While measures, on the other hand, are numeric values that you need to analyze. These are typically things that you can count or perform mathematical operation such as sales revenue, profit margins, etc. So let's jump into Looker Studio and see how can we use measures and dimensions respectively. Here's our Looker Studio interface. I have sample data set loaded for demonstration. To start exploring your data, we'll add dimensions and measures to your looks. Click on Add a Field on the Look Builder. You can see a list of all the available dimensions and measures from your data. Select the ones that make sense for your analysis. Now let's build a simple look by adding a dimension and measure. So look at that. Our look now shows sales revenue with the product category. You can further customize your exploration of your data by adding filters, sorting it, or changing visualization type. You can also drag and drop dimensions and measures to rearrange your data on a fly. Visualizing your data is crucial for gaining insights from your data. So let's choose the chart type to visualize our data. So here we have selected a bar chart for demonstration, sales revenue by product. In order to recap, dimensions provide context, measures offer numeric insights, and Looker Studio make it easy to explore and visualize your data effectively. So this is it for today's video on exploring data through dimensions and measures. In our next tutorial, we'll dive deeper into advanced features. So stay tuned. Thank you.